Ever created a pivot table in Google Sheets and now cannot figure out how to delete it? Don't worry, you're not alone. In this video, I'll show you exactly how you can remove a pivot table from your Google Sheets quickly and safely without messing up the rest of your data. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I make a quick and easy tutorial to help you master tools like Google Sheets, Docs, and everything productivity related. So if you want to make your work easier, hit the subscribe button and let's get started. First, make sure you are looking at the pivot table tab in here. And usually Google Sheets create a separate sheet or tab when you make a pivot table. So if your pivot table is on the same sheet as your data, you'll see a table with gray borders like this and a side panel that says Pivot Table Editor. The easiest way to delete a pivot table is to remove the entire sheet that contains it. You can just right click in the tab sheets in here, the sheet tab at the bottom, the one named something like pivot table here, and you can just click on delete. And that's it, the pivot table is completely gone. So this method works perfectly if the pivot table is in its own tab and you don't need any more. But if your pivot table is on the same sheet as other data, for example in here, don't delete the whole sheet. So instead, just select the entire pivot table. For example, like this, you can just select the pivot table area with your mouse and then press on delete or backspace on your keyboard. I'm going to just go with this one because it's on the separate tab and it will gone. And you can also use the second step that I mentioned before. You can also use right click the table and choose clear values. If you want to, you can just select this and then you can just click on delete rows or delete cells. And after deleting, if the pivot table editor sidebar still appears, don't worry, you can just click on the small X on the top right corner of that panel to close it. That's how you know everything's been removed properly. Now your sheet is clean and ready for a new pivot table or your next analysis. And that's it, you just learned how to delete a pivot table in Google Sheets. Pretty simple, right? So if this helped you out, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments what other tutorials that you want. Don't forget to click on the thanks, leave a comment, and also subscribe. I'll see you all in the next tutorials. Bye!